showing you is what happens when we bud fruit trees or flowering crabs. As you notice, this stem has red leaves, whereas the rest of these stems that are coming from the same plant are green leaves. Last year, a year ago this spring, we planted an apple seedling that was about this tall. Then in August, Ken Costi, who is the expert at this, budded a Norman flowering crab onto that seedling, and that he did down here. Now, we aren't going to be able to illustrate that. We just have to accept that. But so this spring, this bud that Kenny hooked onto that apple crab seedling, that bud started to grow. And so now we have here a Norman flowering crab. And the rest of this is from that seedling, and we want to just take those off and let this one grow. Now this one, by this fall, should be about 3 feet tall. We will leave it one more year, and after 1 year, after a second year, then it will have branches and will be a saleable flowering crab. And what we're going to do next is go over to a row where this was done a year previously and show what a 2-year tree looks like. We were looking at a Norman flowering crab that was budded a year ago and had grown to about 1 foot this year. This is the same kind of a tree. It is a Norman flowering crab, and this is what that same little tree will look like a year from now. That is, if all goes well. And this one now we're going to trim up in order to see better what it looks like. We'll cut off all the lower branches. I guess we better stop about there. Anyhow, now by this fall, this tree will probably be 5 feet tall, and then it will be a saleable tree. So this is a part of the process of how a flowering crab is created.